What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here on DayTrading. So today we're going to be talking about XRP. So XRP ended up winning partial of that lawsuit last week, had a spike up to 94 cents, nearly 100% gain. Then ended up moving to crypto, but hasn't really done much since then. So what are the day trades, what are the key levels, and what are the next price areas that we should be looking out for XRP Ripple? So I'm going to do a breakdown today, so make sure you stay to the end because we'll get some trade ideas in. So let's get to it. Right guys, so let's just dive straight into it. So what we'll do is we'll do two sections. As you may or may not know, or if you're new to the channel, we'll do like an overview of the overall markets, and then from there we'll do key levels, and then we'll go on to the day trade. Now the day trading section is basically just using my day trading charts. I use exactly the same charts when I trade my funded accounts. So let's go on to it. So the first section is, if we do a review, we can see from this price spike we did nearly over 100% gain from this, and this massive surge here was basically due to XRP winning against the lawsuit. Now they means they are the first cryptocurrency or first crypto to win against the SEC. They've also a good staple against the rest of the market. It's also been one of the top 10 current cryptocurrencies for a long time, and Ripple are banks, you know, partnered with like Santander, all of these major banks, even the Bank of India banned crypto and they were even have a partnership with them. So it's very interesting times. So from there, in terms of the price movement, what we've done is we spiked up, we've hit this key level. Even though it's basically wicked up and above, that is a major key level, because if we look on the left hand side, from the 3rd of Feb and the 12th of March in 2022, that was a resistance, and that did exactly that and played again as a resistance this year currently. If we had to draw another section in, we can see at 0.84, that's more of a harder resistance. When I say a harder resistance, that means prices actually come to this a little bit cleaner, rejected it, and it is a major key level. So from here, we've got a key level of 0.94, 0.9, 0.84, 0.7, and then 0.58. These are the major key levels currently at the moment in time when we're looking at the markets. Guys, don't forget to check out, we've got 5 days left of this challenge where the first place is going to get $4,000. Check this guy out, Hippo Skiing and Space Cadet Panda. I love that name, Space Cadet Panda. You need to hit me up on Twitter so we can have a shout out, or maybe even get one of you guys on this channel for a quick little interview, because your trading volume is there and you are trading, you two are fighting for that first place. So if you haven't seen, link in the description below where there's $15,000 of prize pool for the top 100 people, and there's up to $40,000 worth of bonuses plus a 20% discount on your trading fee, only with us here at DayTrading and Coin Bureau. So thanks for watching, and let's get back to the video. Let's explain these key levels in more detail. We've got this support here. This support here at 0.68 is basically where price pulled all the way back after the news, and then it's become a support once, twice, 3 times, and potentially 4 times if it does hold again. This major support down here at 0.58 was a resistance where it pushed this year. It's kind of like the high of the year, and then just failed to kind of retest this level. Now that level could be adjusted to 0.56 where prices hit this twice and it looks a little bit cleaner. It just really depends on how you draw your key levels, but here I'm just sharing you my key levels on this channel. So that is the overall movement so far. Now what could potentially happen next is we can either reject this and then push up to retest this high. We could also reject and break below and then reject and then push lower. But the overall question is, where are we going to set? Now, this is kind of the most important time when it comes to looking at the markets, when it's going sideways. Undecided markets give you the best opportunities because it's undecided, right? The move hasn't happened yet. If the move does happen, then you know you've either caught it or you've missed it. Right now is good to anticipate it, plan your trade, and trade your plan. So we've got DXY, which is the dollar basket. It has pulled back. Could it break lower? I'm waiting for dollar basket to potentially come to $97. Now if that's the case, then that goes on to the story of Bitcoin potentially pushing back up. If Bitcoin pushes up, then XRP could also push up, and also gold is also pushing up as well. So gold has been moving quite nicely, but the cryptocurrency market hasn't been following. So the question is it going to follow, and is it going to work out? Now into the day trading aspect. So in the day trading aspect here, we've got 2 simple lines on the left hand side, which is the support and a resistance. Simply, we've bounced off of here 3 times, which means that I'm generally looking for the move to go from point A to point B. So just to fill this gap, it's as simple as that. Now, if I know on the left hand side that we're going to look to potentially fill that gap, on the right hand side we would look for an entry. Now my entry requirement would have to be above this moving average. I'd want it to have a certain bit of a pattern, and what we could do is, using the Coin Bureau trading strategy, which is the first video we've released if you want to use that, is we'd probably want to break up above this resistance, hold up above, retest, and then enter for a 1 to 2R or even a 1 to 3R. Just really depends on the structure, if it can confirm, and what type of entry we can get. So that would be the day trading idea, and explained why we're taking that trade. So if you enjoyed in these day trading sections something a little bit new, a little bit more like daily, and a little bit more, you know, now kind of factor, let me know in the comments below, and I will be doing these more on the other coins as well. We'll be doing Litecoin, Solana, ADA as well coming in the next couple of weeks. We're just scripting it and just reviewing it to see if there's any more info to share with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and check out the link in the descriptions below for our Coin Bureau challenge, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.